In this video, we will be creating a permission set in Salesforce. A permission set is basically a means through which we can extend access to users. It's not used to restrict, but rather expand our access to various functions in Salesforce. So irrespective of a user's profile, Salesforce allows us to create and assign permission sets to various users. I'm currently in the Home tab in Salesforce, and I will now navigate to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon. In the quick find box here, we can go ahead and type in permission set. Upon clicking the new button, we would need to fill in the following details. For this example, let's say I need a permission set to allow a certain set of users to be able to edit account details in the account object. The API name gets auto-generated, and you will also have an option to provide description about the permission set you are creating. We can enter something along the lines of permission set to allow edit on account object. I can further select if session activation is required. I will leave it unchecked for this example. It simply means you can apply this permission set when a user meets specified criteria. And the same info is also available when you hover over your cursor on the info button. If we go down, Salesforce gives us an option to select the type of users who can access this permission set. We could either pick a value from here or we could leave it as none. For this example, I'm going to leave it as none. And click on Save. Now this is the permission set that we've just created. We will now go ahead and click on Object Settings. Because I wanted Edit Access on Account, I will go ahead and click on Accounts. And to further enable the Edit option, I will click on Edit. The moment I select Edit, the Read option gets auto-enabled as well. We will go ahead and click on Save. Now this is the permission set that we've just created. It is important to note here that these permission sets can be edited or updated as and when required.